Welcome to Elite Origins, where we dive deep into the world's elite vehicles. I'm Alex, and today we're exploring the off-road beast.
Measuring 231.9 inches long with a 147-inch wheelbase, it's designed for stability on uneven terrain.
Equipped with 33-inch all-terrain tires, it conquers backcountry with ease.
Let's step inside this Cypress gray beauty and check the interior comforts.
The cabin features premium leather seats and a quiet, refined space for long drives. Ventilated front seats and dual-zone climate keep you comfortable off the grid.
The head-up display projects key info like speed and navigation directly in your view.
Enjoy crystal clear sound from the available Bose system, perfect for trails. Stay charged with wireless phone charging and multiple USB ports.
Switch to four-wheel drive effortlessly with the electronic selector.
The Multi-Flex tailgate provides 6 functions for versatile loading.
LED bed lighting illuminates your cargo area at night.
Thick underbody skid plates protect vital components off-road.
With a 31.8-degree approach angle, it tackles steep obstacles.
Aggressive fender flares accommodate the large tires perfectly.
"18-inch wheels wrapped in rugged tires enhance grip.
Standard Duramax 3.0-liter turbo diesel delivers 305 horsepower.
It produces 495 pound-feet of torque for superior pulling.
Optional 6.2-liter V8 offers 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet torque.
Paired with a 10-speed automatic for smooth shifts.
Four-wheel drive with locking differentials for traction.
Max towing up to 8,700 pounds with diesel engine.
Payload capacity reaches 1,440 pounds for heavy loads.
Diesel achieves 22 mpg combined for efficiency.
Multimatic DSSV dampers provide superior ride control.
Electronic locking front and rear diffs for ultimate grip.
3-inch factory lift enhances ground clearance to 11.2 inches. Robust skid plates shield the undercarriage from rocks. Hill descent control maintains safe speeds on declines. This articulation allows wheels to maintain contact on rough paths.
Terrain modes optimize performance for mud, sand, or rocks.
Spool-valve dampers absorb shocks at high speeds.
ZR2 trim stands out with unique grille and badging.
Chevy Safety Assist includes forward collision alert,
Lane Keep Assist helps maintain your path on trails.
Rear camera mirror provides unobstructed rear view.
HD surround vision aids in tight off-road maneuvers.
Automatic emergency braking can prevent collisions. Adaptive Cruise maintains safe distances automatically.
Blind spot monitoring enhances awareness on highways.
Front pedestrian braking detects and reacts to hazards.
Integrated trailer brake controller for safe towing. Available in colors like cypress gray for a sleek look. Starting at around $71,700 for the ZR2 trim.
Competes with Ford F-150 Raptor and Ram 1500 TRX.
Outshines rivals like Toyota Tundra TRD Pro in torque.
Released in early 2026. Now available at dealers.
Blends off-road prowess with daily drivability.
Quiet cabin thanks to advanced sound insulation.
Premium materials like leather and soft-touch surfaces.
Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration.
Built-in Wi-Fi hotspot keeps you connected remotely.
Power rear window for ventilation in the cab.
Ample storage, including lockable console vault.
Heated steering wheel for cold morning starts.
Fold flat rear seats expand interior cargo space.
IntelliBeam auto high beams adjust automatically.
LED taillights ensure visibility in low light.
Overall, the interior balances luxury and utility.
ZR2's suspension shines in high-speed off-roading.
Mud terrain tires claw through sloppy conditions. Sand mode optimizes throttle for loose surfaces.
Rock mode provides low-speed control and torque.
Capable of fording water up to 32 inches deep.
Precise steering makes tight trails manageable.
Advanced brakes with off-road calibration stop confidently.
The ZR2 redefines full-size truck off-roading.
Well priced at $71,700 against premium competitors.
Superior torque over the Genesis G80? Wait, no, over truck rivals like Audi A6 analogs, but focused on off-road. Beats Ram TRX in fuel efficiency with diesel.
More affordable than F-150 Raptor with similar capability.
Built on GMT T1XX platform for strength and lightness.
On sale since early 2026. Ready for adventures now.
This ZR2 excels in power, tech, and off-road dominance.
A must for enthusiasts seeking elite performance. Thanks for watching this detailed review.
From diesel power to advanced safety, it's all here. Join us next time on Elite Origins. Experience the 2026 Silverado ZR2 yourself.
Don't forget to like and share this video. Stay tuned for more Elite Vehicle Origins.
Subscribe now, like, and hit the bell for notifications on Elite Origins.